kakatapos lang po no kang groundbreaking kan regional office kan National Bureau Investigation regional office number 5 and kaiba man po diin ning training facility no. So this is through the efforts of Congressman Zaldi being the chairman of the Committee on Appropriations, and talagang we supported no the initiative no the call din the request of the NBI na magkaigwa po ng regional office digdi po sa Bicol region. So kinagayon dahil of all the regions, this is the first regional office that will be built under the term of NBI Director Attorney Medardo de Lemos, and kaya maugmaon sinda dahil magayon no dahil igway allocation in 250 million budget, and aside from that na-mention naman po Subago na igwa po ning tulong service vehicle na kung saan ongoing po ang process ngunyan, and saro sa mga recipients kay ni pong service vehicle iyo po ang Bicol region. So talagang maswerte na sa tuya pong rehiyon dahil igwa po ning mga efforts na pinagigibo ang sa tuya pong mga representante para po sa satuyang development as a whole region.